Hi, my name's Jeremy,
And I'm Maddie.
and we're teaching Uptown Swing, Level 2.
Swing out.
Yeah, this is the swing I'm on.
Yeah. You guys did great today. We talked about the Texas Tommy. We learned about how human arms only bend one way. You can't do this, but you can do this. And with that knowledge, we did a Texas Tommy.
Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get in this funky handle at the end, you can just put the hand in the other hand.
Or do a move afterwards to get out of it.
True.
The most important thing is please do not rip the follower's arm like you're throwing a Beyblade. We just want it to be a gentle unraveling. The pace is set by the follower.
Word. We also did something else. What was that other thing?
We did forward swing outs.
Right. They looked, let's do them this way so they get the vibe.
No, wait, no. The
Yeah, that's why I said yes. They'll get the vibe if we do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep.
And it's just important that the leaders take a step backwards instead of the normal to this side down the line.
Yep, followers, you can play with how long you want to be facing front, when you want to turn yourself around, but also catch yourself if you find yourself in the habit of always turning yourself on the way out of a swing out. Otherwise, you guys did great. We'll see you never because it's week 4.
I'll see you next week.